Welcome to Paradigm Grand. It's a beautiful day. Let me show you some of the progress we've been making. We have cladding, like the precast cladding is advancing all over all three towers. The two hoists are almost at the top of both buildings, so it makes it very easy to bring man materials up to the proper floors. What we're gonna do now is go to the very top of Tower D and watch them finish pouring the final slab of Tower D. If you remember from our last videos, we used two pumps to bring up concrete to the top of our buildings. They're both gone now. We're going back to the traditional way of pouring concrete with the buckets, also with the skilled and hardworking laborers from Liuna. This is a major milestone for Paradigm Grand. For Building E, what they're doing now is pouring the walls, and they'll end up pouring the last final slab as well. That's coming soon, everyone. Windows are a big part of the buildings. The building envelope, they cover the buildings. Just want to point out on Building E, we're on the 12th floor. Building D, where we're standing now, we're on the 15th floor. I'm going to explain how these windows are installed in our buildings. First, you have this bottom track. Then you have this caulking bead. Over that goes a primer, then the blue skin. This is very important. It prevents water from coming inside the building. Then the window assembly goes on top. We're in Unit 603 in Tower D. Want to point out a couple things. We have the floor leveling done here. We put floor leveling to ensure that the tile and vinyl is set perfectly. If you've seen above, they're doing the floor leveling. There was lots of bubbles. This machine knocks all the bubbles out to ensure a perfect finish. We're on the 4th floor at Tower D. So what you see here is the unit is bordered. That means all the inspections have passed. Next step is taping. So this gentleman is certified to use these stilts. Obviously, it makes it work more efficiently without using that baker system. This ensures quicker, more efficient, and better work. So here, as we go up, we put the balcony guards. We're doing them now to make sure everything is progressing and everything is in sequence. And right next door to us is a fantastic Burlington GO station. We're on the 2nd floor at Paradigm Grand on the podium. So if you look from that area to this area, this represents the office area. It's 10,000 square feet. It's gonna be amazing office space. So this is our crown jewel of the building. We got the indoor pool. It's already pre-finished. And our workout room. Awesome room, amazing. Hey everybody, now we're at the 2nd floor of Paradigm Grand. This is the loft suites. Beautiful heights, excellent view outside, a great opportunity to join the Paradigm Grand family. So next steps for this unit will be hard tiles in the bathroom. Behind me is the kitchen. The kitchen's been ordered. Great progress has been made. We'll see you next video.